In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a cordless leaf blower by the company Alloyman. This one has a high quality motor, you know, lasts 10 times longer, 50% more power. It has 2 of the 2.8 amp hour batteries. It's got, you know, looking over it, I did take it out of the box and use it to see what it was like. 500 CFM, so that's the blowing power on this thing. And looking over it here, you can see it looks very high quality. This thing looks premium. It's a 40 volt of power, 2500 R revolutions per minute, 500 CFMs. Check that out. And it says 40 volts max right here. It has this kind of like unit built in there. Pretty simple as far as putting it together. You get 2 batteries. I took it out and I used it and tested it out to see what it's like. 20 volts a piece. You get a charger with it. And the charger looks like, yeah, the batteries just slide on the charger like this right here. And then they have the buttons back here. You can see I've got full power in that one, full power in that one. I charged it up and made sure everything works on it. They also have this little port right here if you're going to do an individual charger. And then you get a set of instructions. And I'll kind of just breeze over the instructions. It's a leaf blower. There's not much to it, just plugging the things in. You get this right here, and you're just gonna really just run this down, and it clicks into place. And you see how this piece right here comes on and off. And there's and then you take the 2 batteries. The batteries will go on like that. And there's pretty much the whole unit right there. And to turn it on, you got a high-low up here and an off. So you got a low. As soon as you mash it, it comes on. There's the low. And there's the high. You can see it pushes these rocks around. It rained here last night, so I don't have a lot of like debris laying around. I'm gonna clean these steps off right here. Seems to work pretty good. I don't see any issues with it. You know, it's not like a super like industrial type like leaf blower, but I see this working just fine. It's not the fall yet, so I don't have a lot of leaves to blow. So it's hard to kind of show y'all, but it's cleaning my sidewalk off really easily and works extremely well on that. I think it's a great kind of leaf blower and an affordable price for it with a lot of power for anybody that's, you know, basic jobs around. I don't see any problems with this thing at all. I think it's a great deal for someone like that. All right, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, Alloyman leaf blower. See you guys in the next video. Woo!